Hey everyone, Marco here from PhoneDog.com, and it's the end of August, which means the new iPhones are just around the corner. So let's go ahead and dive into what you can expect from Apple this year on the new iPhones. So last year's iPhone announcement was a little strange. I mean, we had the iPhone 8 and the 8 Plus announced, and then we went into this iPhone 10 thing. You know, this thing with the notch, the whole controversy about the notch and what happened to the iPhone 9 and stuff, 8, 9, 10, I guess. So this year, we're kind of confused on what Apple's really going to do with the new iPhone naming scheme, and particularly what iPhone models we're going to get. Are we going to see just high-end iPhones, or are we going to see a more budget-oriented iPhone as well, kind of similar to the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus? So my best guess is we're going to see an iPhone, just iPhone, that will take the shape and form and design of the iPhone 10, but instead of stainless steel, it's going to be aluminum on the sides. It's still going to be glass in the front and back and have things like wireless charging. It will have a single camera, not a dual camera, and it's going to be a 6.1-inch display and use LCD technology and not AMOLED or OLED like the iPhone 10. That will be just called the iPhone in my opinion. I don't think they're going to call it the iPhone 9 because that will just be very confusing. Now this less expensive iPhone will be coming in multiple colors, kind of like the iPhone 5C. You'll get multiple fluorescent colors, maybe like red and blue and tan, just some really interesting and fun colors. And we're thinking the price will be around $500 to $700, anywhere in that kind of price range. So once the low-end budget iPhone will be taken care of, Apple will shift their focus into the brand new iPhone 10 lineup, which will probably be the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Plus. So the iPhone XS will literally be a carbon copy of the current iPhone 10. So 5.8-inch display, AMOLED or OLED display. It's going to have a brand new A12, whatever chip they're going to call it now. It's going to have more RAM, a slightly better camera perhaps, Face ID 2.0 most likely, that will work in both landscape and portrait mode. And then that's basically it. Maybe even a bigger battery if they can squeeze it into the iPhone XS body. But that's about it. And I think it's probably going to come in the same colors, which could be silver and that space gray color. And then for the iPhone XS Plus, it's going to be that 6.5-inch OLED display, just a bigger iPhone 10 essentially. Shares the same common design, so stainless steel and glass construction, basically the same two colors as well. You may see a dual SIM version of that in some countries. And it's going to have, two cameras as well, just like the iPhone 10. Essentially, it's just going to be a bigger device with bigger battery and perhaps slightly more RAM. Who knows what they can really fit inside of that. Now, the one key thing that the iPhone XS Plus may have over the iPhone XS will be the ability to split applications in landscape in 50. So it'll be 50-50. You'll have an application on the left and the right. Maybe a little weird with a notch on one side, so I'm not really sure how they're going to do that on the iPhone XS Plus, but it's just a rumor. It may not even happen. We'll definitely not know until we see the iPhone event, which I'm thinking is going to probably happen on September 12th. Now, the iPhone XS may actually have a price reduction back from that $999 starting price to $899, and then the iPhone XS Plus may start around $999 or maybe $1049, depending on how they really price it out. So I know the budget model iPhone is definitely not budget in a lot of people's minds, but you gotta keep in mind here, we're already in the state of a $1,000 premium device realm. I mean, that's basically what you are expecting to be paying for a brand new flagship device, and Apple is very well ahead of the curve with having their $1,000 iPhone 10 already in our pockets. So that's what you can expect at the Apple iPhone event in September. It's coming right up. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave me a comment below in the video. And as always, my name is Marco Hanna, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.